Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So we went to the dollar store this morning because Kenzie has been wanting to go with her brother to school, right? We found some neat activities. So she's already got this one out. I just thought I'd show you. It's one of those ice cube trays, and these are little mini eggs, and you get 3 of each color, right, Kenzie? So we thought it would be good for... Here? What color?
Blue.
Blue, that's right. We thought it would be good for, you know, she can stack them in there, and she was so excited to get them out as soon as we got them home. So yeah, for $1.25 and $1, and we'll see how long this keeps her amused, and I'll show you the rest of our haul here in a sec. Are you seeing cheese? Yeah. So while Kenzie's playing with her eggs there, it has been a long winter and it's still far too cold to play outside. Jack goes to preschool on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the morning, and Kenzie's been getting bored at home. So we stopped at the dollar store, and these are things Jack will do too. We'll do them in the afternoons. All done the eggs? Okay, put them in the bucket. Yes. So we got some long grain rice, which we're going to try and dye, and put in our bucket here. We got some wild animals and some dinosaurs, and Jack has some little diggers that we'll put in there for a sensory box. You want to see those? These I thought were neat. They're water magic. You get a little pen which you fill up with water, and then you can color on the pages. So we got a bubble guppies. What did you do with the other one? Where's the other book? Yeah, I know, cheese. What other one did we got? Bubble guppies and Care Bears, I think. We have some funnels for our rice and our box. I need to do measuring cups and measuring spoons. We're going to try and do some organization in our drawers. And then on Pinterest I saw reusable dryer sheets, fabric softener, and sponges. So we're going to try that. So I'll film a few of these little projects and show them to you guys. Right, Kenzie? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say see ya.
See ya.
Mwah. Give a big kiss and go mwah. No, you go mwah. Oh, I know, digital cameras. No, on a bum. On the bum, on the chair. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye.